guys, you're with me, Explore with Seth. Today it's a different video. I have ordered something for my YouTube channel and I would like to share with you guys, but please before that don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification. Hi guys, so I bought my product for my YouTube channel from Wharton and it's a lovely stuff. I would like to show you. It's a ZHIYUN Smooth 4. This will help me to make my classic videos, awesome videos. So here it is, my ZHIYUN Smooth 4 gimbal. Amazing, look at the box. Let me take that out. The plastic, where it is. Yeah, okay, here. I'm so excited. Let me take that out. Ooh. Okay, let me take this out. I don't know which color is that in. I mean, I like the black one. I hope it's the black color. Let's see. Okay, let me get rid of this plastic. Okay, this is nice, amazing, cool. I like it. Wow, this is my new ZHIYUN Smooth 4 gimbal. Let me take that out. That's a gray color box. Wow, amazing. Let me take that out. I'm so excited. Ooh, this is amazing. Cool. Wow. You guys can also see that. You can put it like that. Okay. This is a manual, I think, inside. You have to, let me see what is there. Okay, there's a service card maybe, Smooth 4 manual, yeah, and the Z Play apps, something like that. I have to download that app also. Wow, let me put that aside now. I can't wait. Okay, now white or black? White or black? Ooh, that's a black one. Cool, amazing, I like it. I'm so excited to hold that one. Let me take that out. Let me take that out. Okay. Wow. I am so happy to hold this one. Amazing. Cool. It's such a nice feeling to hold the ZHIYUN Gimbal Smooth 4. Okay, now this is a tripod. You can put it in the bottom. This is the charger. Don't lose it. It has a different port. Let me put that in. And you can make that stand also. I can show you after this the full view. Cool. Next video I am going to show you. Amazing. I'm so happy.